For every mile of pavement in Plano, there's one crew keeping track.
Basically running an inventory of all the street network.
A company called Roadway Asset Services is scoring road conditions throughout the city. They use a system of cameras and lasers to find cracks. The goal is to identify which roads are in most need of repair.
So as the van's driving down the road, we have two camera systems on the back of the van called laser crack measuring systems. So it's taking an image and it's also directing lasers onto the pavement surface.
The images and lasers reveal the length and width of the cracks.
Then we look at the patterns of the cracking that help us define what type of distress it is.
Environmental cracks caused by temperature changes deteriorate at a different rate than cracks caused by heavy loads. So learning what causes them can predict when repairs will be needed and how much money should be set aside for the work.
This kind of information, now you can sit down in a budget analysis tool and be able to look at, say, 5-year maintenance plans.
This survey will take a month to complete. Once the last road is scored, Plano will have the data it needs to plan smarter, spend wisely, and keep traffic moving smoothly.